Good morning, all of you. So today we are discussing experiment number 9, that is belt conveyor continuous process with the stop option. Belt conveyor continuous process with the stop option. I will share the screen. Belt conveyor continuous process with stop option. To develop and execute the ladder logic program diagram for belt conveyor continuous process with stop option. So this project, whole project based on the ladder logic programming. First of all, turn on the main switch. So to turn on the main switch, okay, turn on the main switch, DC motor will be turned on, conveyor belt and start rotating the system. Start conveyor belt will be start the process. Okay, the system controlled by two belts. If the start button is pressed, conveyor belt 1 will be begin run after 100 seconds, and the conveyor 2 will be active after whole system runs for 300 seconds. Okay, the conveyor belt will be conveyor belt will belt 1 will stop, then conveyor belt 2 continues to move for 100 seconds, and then it will stop. For also, the system can reset by energize emergency stop button at any time. Okay, so first we'll move to start button. The motor will start and conveyor belt will move on like this. So belt 1, belt 2, here 2 belts is available. Entire process is 300 seconds, one belt is 100 seconds. Okay, okay, so this is the process. Okay, when normally open contact button M0 is activated, and normally closed button X0 is X0, and output main coil S0 is energized. Since normally open contact X0 will be closed and latching the M0. Here we will share the screen again. So that is I will share the belt conveyor. So this is the thing. So S0 main switch and the main motor. After motor is enabled, belt conveyor will start to move. Okay, Y0. Okay, so here Y0 and Y1 is the two belt conveyors. One is 100 seconds, one is 300 seconds. Will be resetted after 100 seconds will be resetted. Y0 will be resetted after 300 seconds. Y1 will be resetted. Okay, here I will execute the program. Observe. Once again simulate the system. Once again simulate the system and compile the system. Hence we are ready to use the system. Go to the online mode. Please wait. Okay, so please wait. So we will run the system. So S0 is on, main switch is on. So Y0 will be M0 is energized and Y0 will be enabled. After 100 seconds, Y1 will be enabled. Okay, so conveyor 2, that is belt 2. After that, after 300 seconds, Y0 will be resetted for enabling Y1. Okay, after enabling Y1, Y0 will be resetted after 300 seconds. Okay, counting will be process. So after 100 seconds, okay, after 100 seconds, Y1 will be resetted through this mode of operation T2. So timer is a timer switch, T1 switch, and the T2 is the timer. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, we will again show that one. Run the system again. Okay, so S0 on, M0 on. M0 will be energized through Y0. After 100 seconds, Y1 will be enabled through T0. So after Y1 will be enabled, after that the timer setting is T1 is 300 seconds. So process is going on. After 300 seconds, Y0 will be resetted. Like this only. Okay. So 245, 250, then 260, 270, 280, 290, and 300. Okay. After 100 seconds, after 100, Y1 will be resetted through T1. Okay. So timer is T2. So this is the process is going on. Okay. So I will next program is I will share the screen once again. Next one, final one is bottle filling process, 10th experiment. Automatic bottle filling process. To develop and execute the ladder logic program for automatic bottle filling process, here one conveyor belt, one motor, automatically bottle fill the water to fill the water in bottle. So through step-by-step process, one by one bottle is filling, moving towards to processing chamber. Okay, the whole experiment based on the laser logic program. First of all, to turn on the main switch, DC motor to turn on conveyor belt to start rotating. Okay, after that the bottle will move on the conveyor belt. The bottle will move on the conveyor belt. The conveyor will be stopped automatically after the photoelectric sensor. This is photoelectric sensor detected the presence of the bottle. The controller will switch on the solenoid valve. The manual switching operation is available in this case. When the conveyor stops to move, okay, and the conveyor stops to move, so the controller will be switch on the solenoid valve. Okay, so the water will start to fill into the bottle. The filling process will be stopped automatically by using the timer, and there will be turn on the buzzer will sound for 5 seconds subsequently. This system will repeat the process continuously. When after 20 bottles, the process will be stopped. Okay, so here is the one main switch, motor, and conveyor belt, a number of bottles. Okay, suppose for example 20 bottles. Okay, so the main switch will be turned on, the DC motor will be turned on, the conveyor belt will start rotating. Okay, so conveyor belt start rotating, the bottle move towards filling process. Okay, so after filling in this the conveyor will be stopped automatically after the photoelectric sensor detected the presence of the bottle. Okay, detected the presence of the bottle. The controller will switch on the solenoid valve when the conveyor stops to move. Okay, సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తుంది, కన్వేయర్ బెల్ట్ మూవ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు బాటిల్ ఎక్కడైతే సెన్సార్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చిందో, సో ఫోటో ఎలక్ట్రిక్ సెన్సార్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చిందో అక్కడ ఆగుతుంది, కన్వేయర్ బెల్ట్ ఆగుతుంది. సో బాటిల్ విల్ స్టే హియర్ ఓన్లీ. ఎప్పుడు ఆగిందో, సో బాటిల్ విల్ ఫిల్లింగ్ either water or any drink. Okay, so based on that process in the industry. Okay, so after controller the controller will switch on the solenoid valve. So conveyor will when the conveyor stops to move, okay, the water will start to fill into the bottle. The filling process will be stopped automatically by using the timer. Okay, after filling the water, the timer will be setting some time setting. After process is completed, to turn on the buzzer sound within 5 seconds subsequently. The system will repeating process continuously. When after 20 bottles, the process will be stopped. Okay, so that is the scenario, that is the theory of this one. In this case, network 1, when normally open contact button M0 and normally closed contact X0, Y5 are closed, then output main coil Y0 is getting energized. Since normally open contact Y0 will be closed and latching to the M0. If normally open contact Y0 and the normally closed contact S1 are closed and output conveyor M0, conveyor M motor Y1 get energized. At the same time, both solenoid valve Y2 and pump Y3 are open at network 5. So network 3, so coming to normally open contact Y1 is normally closed contact Y4 closed to time 1 T1 until K value is 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, open contact T0 and normally closed contact T4 are closed, S1 sensors be activated. So this is the procedure. Okay, I will share this software also. Bottle filling. So this is the bottle filling ladder diagram. I will share the screen. Okay, what I shared is bottle filling process, belt conveyor continuous process with the stop option. Sorry. So this is the 10th experiment. So this is the last experiment, automatic bottle filling process. Here up to now, I will explain. I had explained theoretical process. So now this is the practical process. Okay. Uh, so main switch M0 will be enabled and Y0 will be activated. Okay. Okay. I will simulate the system, compile the system, go to online mode and run the system. Okay. S0 will be set on. So Y0 will be enabled. After 30 seconds, S1 will be enabled. So step by step process like this. S1 will be enabled. So this is the process going on. Reset the C0 or reset the M0. Okay. Again, we will again start the system. S0, Y1, Y0 will be enabled. And after getting Y1, so the timer will be setting 30 seconds. After that, S1 will be enabled. So this is the process will be repeated like this. So I will set off the T0. So again, timer will be starts. So this is the process like this. Okay. Okay. Up to now, 10 experiments will be completed. Thank you.